In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks in Pipedrive. We're going to set up a simple but really powerful automation that creates a follow-up activity whenever a deal moves into a specific stage in your pipeline. This is perfect if you want to make sure you never forget to call, email, or follow up with a prospect once they reach a key point in your sales process. Let's start inside your Pipedrive account. First, go to the Automation section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new automation and click the Plus Automation button. This is where you define what should trigger the automation and what Pipedrive should do for you automatically. Next, we'll set the trigger. Click on Add Trigger and choose Deal Updated. This tells Pipedrive to watch for any changes that happen to your deals, but we're going to narrow that down so it only runs when something very specific occurs. To do that, add a condition. Set the condition to Deal Stage has changed to, and then pick your target stage from the drop-down list. This might be something like Qualified, Proposal Sent, or any other stage where you want an automatic task to be created. By using this condition, the automation only runs when a deal actually moves into that chosen stage, instead of every time anything changes. Now that the trigger and condition are set, it's time to tell Pipedrive what action to take. Click on Plus Add Action, then select Activity, and then Create Activity. This means that whenever a deal hits that stage, Pipedrive will automatically create a new activity for you or your team. In the activity details, fill in the subject field with something clear, like Follow-up Call or Send Proposal, then set a due date. You can either choose a specific date or use relative options like in 1 day or in 2 days, depending on how quickly you want to follow up. Make sure the subject and timing match your real workflow so these tasks actually help you stay organized. Once everything looks good, click Save. Finally, toggle the automation to active. This step is important. If it's not active, nothing will run. After you activate it, anytime a deal is moved into that target stage, Pipedrive will automatically create the activity you defined, helping you stay consistent and on top of your pipeline without any extra manual work.